we are prepping the ground under our garden area and greenhouse. We have this woven landscaping fabric that we're trying. We picked it up off of Amazon. And then we got a big pack of these landscaping staples as well to hold it in place. We're doing all around our boxes and then also under our greenhouse a ways, planning to do some bark or something around it at some point, but wanting to keep the grass from continuing to grow. This fabric has lines on it. I believe this one on the edge is about a 3-inch overlap. So we're just overlapping the plastic layers about to that mark to hopefully keep stuff from coming up in between as much, and then dropping staples every few feet to just kind of hold everything in place.
Uh-oh. Benji, go. Go.
Take two.
Take two.
So if you have not worked with this landscaping fabric before,
Take three.
if you have not worked with this landscaping fabric before, there's a bunch of plastic fibers woven together, and so if you cut it with a sharp knife, it will still leave those ends frayed out and kind of unraveling, and over time they'll continue to unravel. So you can heat up a knife or something like that to do to cauterize the edges, melt the edges when you cut it, or you can just use a torch like this to cut it, and I'll show you that here.
Olaf, move. Oh.
So as you can see, pretty easy to cut, a straight line there, good enough for what we're needing, and now those ends are melted, so hopefully they won't fray as easily.